Hey, I know we all want to look our best. This is Angela, and today's show is called Manhattan Carboxytherapy Treatment Restore Youthful Skin Without Surgery. And trust me, it's juicier than a ripe pineapple. Ever looked in the mirror and wondered where that fresh faced glow went? You know, the one that had you looking like you just got back from a 2 week vacation, even when you were pulling all nighters? I see you nodding through your screen right now. Here's the thing, we've all been sold the dream of miracle creams and magic potions. And honestly, most of them are about as effective as trying to fill a swimming pool with a teaspoon. Seriously, I can't make this stuff up. Traditional anti-aging treatments often fail because they're just scratching the surface. Literally, they sit on top of your skin like butter on toast, when what we really need is something that gets down to the bread and butter of the issue. Let's get sciencey for a hot minute, but don't worry, I'll make it fun. Your skin is basically like a garden. It needs good circulation, oxygen, and the right nutrients to bloom. When we age, it's like the garden's irrigation system starts getting a little rusty. That's where carboxytherapy comes in. Think of it as sending a team of tiny plumbers to fix your skin's pipework from the inside out. Now, I know what you're thinking. Angela, this sounds too good to be true. But hold on to your jade rollers, because this is where it gets exciting. Manhattan Carboxytherapy treatment is like hitting the reset button on your skin's aging process. We use controlled carbon dioxide therapy to trick your body into sending a flood of oxygen and nutrients exactly where you need them. It's like ordering premium same-day delivery for your face. Let me tell you about my client Sarah, and trust me, this story is better than any reality TV drama. Sarah, a 45-year-old executive, came to me looking like she hadn't slept since the 90s. She tried everything short of making a deal with a skincare witch doctor. After just 3 carboxytherapy sessions, her colleagues started asking if she'd gone on vacation. The best part? No surgery, no downtime, just results that had her taking selfies like a teenager. Here's the real tea. Aging is natural, but looking older than you feel? That's optional. At Precision Aesthetics, we're not about turning you into someone else. We're about helping you look like your best self. The self that gets carded at bars. Okay, maybe not that young, but you get what I mean. Want to know if carboxytherapy is right for you? Give us a call at 212-799-1411. Our consultation is free, and we promise to give you the straight talk about what will work for your specific skin needs. No pressure, no snake oil promises, just honest expertise and results you can see. You know what's wild? The technology behind this treatment is so advanced, it's like we're living in the future. But instead of flying cars, we got something better. The ability to refresh our skin without going under the knife. Now that's what I call progress. This has been Angela on behalf of PrecisionAestheticsMD.com. Until next time, have a wonderful day, and remember, if you find yourself with unwanted wrinkles, let's see what we can do to help. Later.